In this video, we're going to learn how to convert JSON file to PDF file step by step. First, go to a website called Vertopal, and then once you're here, click convert and then search for JSON and then to PDF. In the center, you'll see an option to upload your JSON file. You can either drag and drop your file into the designated area or click the choose file button. Find the JSON file on your computer, select it, and click open. Now that you open it, the file will start uploading to the platform. After the upload is complete, just click the continue button. Next, look for the convert button and then click it. The platform will process your JSON file and convert it into a PDF. This may take a few seconds depending on the size of your file. Once the conversion is done, a download button will appear. Click on it to save your PDF file to your computer. You must double check the converted file to ensure all the data has been accurately formatted. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.